Stream, 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 nee, 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 nee. Stream, 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 nee, 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 nee. Let's just send a post to everyone so they know to come to my stream. Stream, stream, stream. I think I might actually become a new pop star. Because like this programming thing, it pays nice. I kind of like it. But being like a pop star pays even better. What do you think, guys? Like, is this a career I should pursue? Should I go for become a pop star? Yeah. It's I can't be football star anymore because I kind of suck at football. But singing, that's something you don't have to have a talent. You can just sing and pretend that you're good. Let's see if my audio actually works. So, yeah, it works. So I could be singing and be a pop star. That's what I should do in the future. Maybe in 20 years or something. Let's just make let's just play programming. Whoa, this was like a good game. Is this the... Oh no. I think, was it Liverpool Milan? Just a second ago. No? Yeah, like a football. Oh. Why the Rings of Power sucks, part 5. Wow, someone is doing like a real proper look into it. Yeah, okay. Hey, did you see that guy? No, okay, like, who cares? It's Olympics. I don't really care. It's a stupid bunch of stupid sports. And somehow Poland got like oh no, not here. Somehow Poland got silver in ski jumping, which I was saying that it's the stupidest sport, but now because Polish ski jumper is the second, so I would say it's the second stupidest sport in the world, just after probably quite many different sports. Because like the thing is, like with football, you can watch football and then go out play football. You can just go to your lawn or to the pitch, like football pitch, and just play football. Probably for my viewers from India, that's the same with cricket. You just go to the park and you just play cricket with your friends. And ski jumping is something that nobody can do unless there is a snow, there is a big ramp, you have long skis, you have a helmet, and you have like expensive gear and this stupid stuff, and then you might be able to jump once or twice before you break your back. And football, yeah, you can play football, you can play cricket, you can play basketball, you can go for a run anywhere. And ski jumping is silly. But that's not that's not why I'm here. I'm here because, come on girls, because you want to see those girls dancing. Is this why? Are you here because you want to see the girls smiling to us from the song? You could play that song yourself, obviously. For yourself, is it? So yeah, recently I had like, oh, let's just post. I'm live doing marketing shit. Join me now. Yeah, like a call to action with three exclamation marks. Now, join me now. Let's do this. No views, come on, like let's just make it live. Let's make it live. So everyone can, so I can have views. Yeah, like this week we started, me and my buddy Łukasz, we started like a podcast. And it went well. I really enjoyed it. We had lots of good clips, good interactions, good conversation. If you wanna join me on the next one, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna do it with Łukasz, or like, it depends if he likes it. I think I liked talking to him. I think I enjoyed actually doing a podcast. He's studying computer science here in Poland on pretty good university, like a private one, but very good, as at least what they say. And I used to, when I worked in the industry, they've seen this Polish-Japanese Institute as a good one. So yeah, so you can listen to us actually bitching about the university, complaining how bad it is. And I was trying to... Okay, sorry girls. Can I just get you... Can I get you to shut up a bit, my lovely girl? So basically, I'm kind of against university. I think it's a waste of time. For if you want to do like computer science, just do computer science. Just start programming. It's not like medicine that you have to have a paper to work. You know, otherwise they will lock you in the prison. Now, if you want to work in IT, you know, if you want to be a front-end developer, back-end developer, DevOps, wherever, you don't have to have a paper. And like after initial like year or two, no one is asking you for that. And the thing is, like, even after I did university, I'll still have to do like lots of learning because I wasn't sure if it's actually useful, and I couldn't get to jobs actually. And then also, what did I have to do? I also had to do an internship for almost free. So, you know, I don't know if it's actually a good way to run your career. It's you know, it's 3 years of something. You're spending 3 years somewhere, like trying to learn some stuff. So at least, you know, you have to balance it with some other stuff. Start QA, start the poll. Okay, a poll. Yeah, let's just have a poll. Some people can vote. I like to give people power to tell me what they like. Is Office better or remote is better for juniors? I actually think Office is pretty good place to work with people. It's obviously like really hard if like I mean, it's good to like do internships and stuff, and if you can do like if you can see people in the office, that's actually useful. Although I still think that the best way to actually learn is by working, by doing actual projects. If you do it, then you get better. Okay, back to marketing. 0 clients still on Planero. Clients, what? 0 clients still on Planero. That's yeah, although I've created last week a website for my wife, and it seems to be quite popular. You know, people are going there. She has like an Instagram, so she's so Szklarnia Sielska. So this website is already making us money, which is good. Like, it's not much. We were making from this business earlier, but I think now we are even better. Like, we get some traffic here, we get some Instagram traffic, and people start watching those, you know, checking those, they call it Silanka, and they start thinking like, should I buy it? So yeah, that's a good step, you know. We actually have this website. We are not really promoting it that much, you know, like, but we get people there. So I think like that's a benefit, you know. And if I go to Google Analytics, then we should have some traffic there. And also, quite recently, like yesterday, Sales and Logic, and this is my agency that actually receives the traffic as well. So this is obviously like 7 from India. I hope you're gonna guys from India, you're gonna buy from me. You're gonna hire my team for development. There is 1 from Poland, which might be me actually. So for now, we are not really that great with, you know, selling our services, but there is a website that works and seems to be running. So like if I think of it, in last 2 months of like quite intensive work, I actually created 3 businesses. One is actually still being built. So there are 3 businesses that are actually viable to actually make money. And I'm gonna actually promote 2 of them with actual investing money. And the third one we are already running, so this one. So this is actually another one. I've actually created this YouTube channel that seems to be growing as well, quite nicely actually. I think that's the speed of growing is actually pretty good. So I'm surprised, you know, because if I think of it, I started working on those projects somewhere around December, like early December, like mid-November. I actually started working on Planero, and then like the channel was started in second week of December. So now it's 2 months since I started, and I already have like 650, is it? Subscribers, not bad, not bad. Some people watching, 2 watching now, yeah. So that's a brilliant one. And okay, what else was there? Yeah, so 655. So I need 11 more for 3 6s, which is a bad number. Obviously, we don't want to be doing that. But yeah, basically, yeah, this is generating some traffic. Good. From United States, that Planero. So I actually got 2. So that might be actually a real people who are thinking about buying this kind of app. So, you know, I actually will have to create like a backend for. I have it in a database. So I've got currently like I can check, you know, by Stripe who has signed up. Obviously, probably no one signed up for paid version. Yeah, okay, let's just exit this. So I've got like two businesses here in this one is not really correct. Let's see customers if I got any here. No, nothing new here. So I'm not really promoting it, so that's a, you know, not a surprise that I'm not making money here. Let's see my wife's business. So this is another one that we have some payments actually set up. And I'm not really expecting anything here as well. We are slowly starting this thing here. Yeah, so well, you know, it's not making money. We will hope it will start. So yeah, no transactions. But yeah, it's connected, so we sort of hope that it's gonna happen sooner or later. So we've got this business, which, yeah, as I'm saying, some people go there. I've actually spoke to like my friend who is a marketing person. She's actually currently unemployed, but she will actually look into my thing, and I will actually pay her to create a report for me in terms of like what should I improve with Planero. And she will be also working with me on this Pixels and Logic project that I also hope to actually start getting customers. Hello guys from India on my website. So this one obviously will soon happen. But I will be actually improving my marketing here. So I think like I've got actually pretty good website, pretty good business in terms of Planero and Pixels and Logic. Now I just have to like get better at selling it to people. And yeah, this one as well. This is my wife's website. Very good actually. It's a, you know, I know it doesn't look like some crazy numbers happening here. But I think like we're gonna have it growing. And yeah, there is some traffic here. And we also yeah, we can see that there are actually people viewing the product. So this is actually very nice. And we've got some direct traffic. We've got some organic search, social, which is her Instagram and I don't know, maybe Facebook, and some other stuff. So I feel like it's all nice. Like it's on. There is a lot of good news from everywhere. You know, some potential customers going to one website to the other website. The channel is growing, so it's good. I actually today the plan is to get back to Planero. Planero is my app for delivery management, which I want to actually be selling. And I think this is actually part where I really have to get better at marketing. this stuff. So I can't even get like, so far I can't even get free clients. And I want to have the paid clients with time. But I obviously know that I might need to spend a lot of money to actually get each client, because it's an expensive service. So, you know, I'm actually expecting someone to pay 29 euros at least per month, or if it's a bigger company, like more. And then if I'm expecting that from people, I obviously have to get them to do what? I have to convince them to actually spend this money. It has to be like a good marketing. It has to be, you know, I have to send lots of people there. I have to send, yeah, just get some good marketing. That's maybe the thought I had. So yeah, I shouldn't really go here. I don't really care about those people fighting here. It doesn't really matter for me. What matters for me is my business. So let's get back to my great, lovely Planero. Make sure you vote, guys. Obviously have a poll here, which I want you to join me in. What do we want? Okay, we want to go back to DaVinci Resolve. So that's obviously software for editing. And I've actually spent 2 days now editing some. I mean, I've spent like this week. I was doing quite a lot of DaVinci stuff, so I was editing quite a lot of videos. There's one that I want to actually release, and it's a slow one as well. So, but I have to finish this one. When I finish that one, my sales video, then I will get back to, like, there's this 1 hour video tutorial where I'm actually explaining everything from start to finish, how I've created like a website from scratch in like 4 hours or something. It will be like 1 hour, because I'm just like, because I was on a live stream, so I was like responding to comments. I don't know, just talking about stuff. I was making lots of mistakes as well. So I'm cutting away some of the mistakes, because like I still keep some of that stuff, so you can see that it's not perfect what I'm doing. But my goal is to have like around 1 hour video of, you know, how it's done, how the website is actually done from start to finish. So I will actually have to record a couple of small bits to that, like how you actually, I have to record a bit about publishing the website, and there is a couple of bits where I actually, you know, sort of didn't really explain the topic, so I will have to explain it better. So this is the video I will have to, you know, I'll probably try to do it this week. Although, as I'm saying, it's a big one. So yeah, I will have to get that done. Okay, so back to girls, no, to running, dancing, and smiling women. No, that's not what I want. What I want is, yeah, get this video. So here.
If you're currently managing orders in Excel.
So basically what I did yesterday evening, I've actually exported lots of small clips. Is this screen clips? No. Nope, that's not the one. Okay, so no, it's not here. Create new bin. Bin is like a folder in DaVinci, and this will be clips, or maybe not. So I have like a Canva stuff here. So I just have 2 more folders from Canva. Sorry, two more. Oh, come on. Why can't I? Why is it selecting this one? Okay, so I will actually import from my videos where I exported this yesterday. Canva clips. Yes, Canva clips 1 and 2. So basically I just exported this stuff, you know? So it's like a stock footage of people doing shit, you know, like managing things. So this is something I want to do a lot in my someone, you know, some models actually doing that stuff, which is good. I like it. It's funny.
If you're currently managing orders in Excel.
Okay, so this is if you're managing orders in Excel. So I have actually, so yes, like what I did last time, I just wrote down what clips I need. So I went through my video and just went to see like, okay, what is missing here still, you know, and what stuff I don't want to be showing every like just up all the time. I want to show some of the, like, you know, also some b-roll, let's call it. It's not b-roll, because b-roll would be like when you make a main like when you are filming a main video and then on the side, okay, maybe it's a b-roll, I don't know. I was never actually working professionally as a video editor, so like I can't really say 100% if b-roll is what I mean or not. If you know, write it in the comment. Oh, make sure to subscribe, because like I can see that there's like only like 20% people so far are subscribing, and for a normal channel it should be about 40%. So like I'm expecting, I want to be a normal channel, you know, make me a normal channel. I don't want to be one of those weird ugly channels that are no one subscribing to. Obviously I just want to be a nice I wish I had that word, actually knew what I wanted to say. I want to be one of those channels that people subscribe to. Yeah, that's the one. That's the word I was looking for. Obviously not, but whatever. But yeah, let's just get back to my work. So basically it was, what was the lady from 11 Labs saying?
If you're currently managing orders in Excel,
If you are currently managing orders in Excel. So I'm almost sure I have a clip where someone is, yeah, doing that stuff. So there's an older man. There's a guy being annoyed. I could use that, actually. This is actually spinning. See, like this, those cogs are spinning wrong way. Oh, you can have everything. Yeah, if you are okay. Oh, this is nice. This is okay. So I exported that kind of stuff as well. In Excel, where's guy with Excel? Yeah, okay. This. Do I want it to be a sad person or like happy person? Because managing orders in Excel is not really something. Free trial. Okay, so probably I want to have like a normal person for now. Not very happy, but not very sad as well. I actually had this as well. Oh yeah, I can use this guy. Yeah, I can use this guy. He looks okay. Yeah. So let's just have him using managing orders in Excel. Here I can, when I click on it, I should be able to import this. Okay, do I have like a... Oh, come on, go to this layer. Why not? Why can't I? Oops. Yeah, go here. If you're currently, why aren't you? There is something with DaVinci that doesn't allow me to. Is this locked or something? I don't know. There's a bug, I think, in DaVinci recently that it's kinda freezes. The layers are freezing. I can't really touch it. Nothing happens. I click here, click here. I can click here, but I can't click here. Maybe I actually clicked something, but I don't see it anywhere. So let's just... No, it doesn't work. So what happened here? What did I do? No? Here? No? Okay, I don't want to do this. I want to do this. Why? Why not? No, why not? So let me just close this thing. It's DaVinci. I see that it happens sometimes now, and it didn't used to. So either like they changed some functionality and I don't really know what is it, or there is a bug that I should report and I never did because I thought like maybe I'm doing something wrong. This is often like with software, obviously. Like, you know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe that's not the app. Maybe it's not their fault. Maybe it's my fault. Okay, let's see if I can click that now. No, I can't click that. What's wrong with this? What the fuck is wrong with this? Why can't I click this? Is this like locked? I can't see it being locked. Shit. What's wrong with this thing? I can't do anything here. Ah, no, nothing. What stupid software. Maybe I will be back to DaVinci now. No, maybe I will go back to DaVinci because this... Not DaVinci. Adobe Premiere. What the fuck did they do to DaVinci? Yeah, no. Maybe am I somewhere like maybe I don't. Let's get back to my with audio. No, nothing here. Timeline 1? No. Yeah, this is like, look. I move here. Timeline with audio. I don't know what's happening here. Is this like... No? I don't know. Son of a bitch. Like, why the hell is this not working? What happened to you, DaVinci people? Why did you mess it up so badly? Okay, I can do this. Oh, I can click here now. Okay, so if I put text, I can't click on that video. What's here, actually? Video 1. Is this like something? Or maybe this is actually doing... Maybe they just introduced some stupid functionality here. Can I remove this layer? Is there anything on that layer? Maybe it's just... No, there's nothing on that layer. Let's just remove this one. Delete track. Yeah. What about now? No, it doesn't allow me to click. Ah, fucking hell. Why does... With audio. No, I don't know. Because like, for example, now when I click here, it's actually showing on another screen. Maybe now when... Maybe if I just do it on different screen. Yes, on different screen it seems to be working. On other screen, I don't know, maybe it's... Oh, what the hell is happening? Maybe because I'm working with two screens, and then on the second one, it actually like sometimes it displays some menu. Okay, so at least I know how to deal with it. Good, I learned something. But like there's a bug actually, obvious bug when you work with two screens in DaVinci.
If you're currently managing orders in Excel, getting content call from clients asking,
Okay, let's just have someone that is dealing with call. Yeah, I think that's the guy getting a phone call. He's a bit upset. Okay, let's just have this here. Oh, I want to have my snapping. So.
getting content call from clients asking, "Where's my delivery?" Planero is built to solve exactly that problem.
Oops.
Let me show you how it works. Once you log in, you'll see our
Oh yeah, okay. So I almost messed up my video again.
Once you log in,
Maybe I shouldn't touch this layer.
Once you log
Okay, so here I have my once you log in, good. This one goes here. And the guy on the phone. Where's my guy on the phone? Yeah, this is my guy on the phone. What do you think, guys, about the new name of my channel? Code and Hustle. Or hustle and code. Code and hustle. I kind of liked it. Maybe I will stick to that because it's short. It sounds actually pretty cool. YouTube. Code and hustle. Yeah, that's a good one. Code and hustle. Yeah. I think it's a cool one. That's the one I wanted. I should have done it actually ages ago. Yeah. Is degree a piece of paper? That's my latest video from this morning. No, not many people are watching it so far, but I think we will get there. We'll get hundreds of thousands of billions of views sooner or later. But for now, it's, you know, people are actually quite slow in adapting to this video. I'm live. Okay, yeah. I just like my post. Okay, back to DaVinci. I want to have
If you're currently managing orders in Excel, getting content call from clients asking, "Where's my delivery?"
Okay, it's up to here, obviously.
Planero is built to solve exactly that problem. Let me show you how it works. Once you log...
Okay, let me show you how it works. It's probably...
Planero is built... Let me show you how it works. Once you log in, you'll see our clean, modern interface. On the left side, we have the main...
Maybe the password, where I'm retyping password, is not the best part. Is it?
Our clean, modern interface. On the left side, we have the main navigation.
Okay, good. That's fine. So I need one more. Like...
Planero is built to solve exactly that problem.
Okay, so what should I... Okay, let's just have a... Yeah, okay, maybe that's the one. Maybe that's the one I need. Yeah, I had like one. This one. Yeah, this one. I just have this part. It's like a jumping. Oh, no, don't move.
Planero is built to solve exactly that problem. Let me show you how it works. Once you log in, you'll see our clean, modern...
Office is better. Oh, good. I think it's good, Office, depending who you work with, obviously. You might be working with some people that it's not fun to spend time with, but like often you work with quite good bunch, you know. Usually it's not so bad, you know. Working with people can be actually quite fun. But yeah, is Office better? Probably it's good. It's very good for sure. I think like I like hybrid myself because I'm a family man and I have kids and like I want to help my wife sometimes, so it's good to be at home. But not always, you know. Sometimes it's good to be around other people, only my family. Not that I don't like them, I actually love them a lot, but people in the office can be fun as well. And it's good to have a break from home sometimes. Let's see what Hope is saying here. So like I have already this much, so like I might actually be lucky and I might finish it today if I'm not gonna get too distracted. If I'm not going to be too distracted as well, because that often happens to me, especially when people ask me questions on the chat. That can happen as well, you know. Maciek, what do you think about, you know, AI coding? And I'm saying AI coding is great. You should do it even when you sleep. So, you know, I'm obviously gonna say something like that, and it's gonna take me 2 hours to get into that point, and then maybe I will be repeating myself 27 times. That's kind of thing I gonna do if you ask me questions here. So please don't ask questions on the chat, because otherwise I will not finish my video, and we all want that video to be finished. Yes. We all want Maciek, which is my name obviously, to make money. We all want me to buy... what should I buy when I get first million? Should I buy Ferrari? What's the new Ferrari? New Ferrari F40, that's probably gonna be fun. Yeah, okay, F80. So you probably might want me to buy one of those. Although I don't know if I would like them. They're very low and unnecessarily loud and uncomfortable. The problem is that obviously we just want to have everything that is expensive, and expensive means good, yeah? Yeah, but it's a nice car, obviously. So maybe you want me to buy a Ferrari. So like if I want to buy a Ferrari, I will have to finish this sales video. That's a must, you know? It doesn't mean that if I finish the sales video, I'll get this Enzo Ferrari. That might not happen. Just by doing this one video might not be enough to buy this blue Ferrari here, Enzo. But it might get me a step closer towards that goal. I'm actually thinking if it's my goal, even if I would like to have a Ferrari, what car would I want to have if my app will make me billions, gazillions? Probably not Ferrari. Good. Maybe my poll should be. Oh, I should buy a Jaguar. You've seen this ugly thing now that they made? Where is it? This thing. Maybe I should buy myself a Jaguar. Stupid. Yeah, okay. Maybe I should... Because the Jaguars used to be very nice. Look at this car. It's very pretty. And this looks like something that you are ironing your clothes with. Looks like an iron. Iron? Don't know. Never knew how to say it correctly. So yeah, this is ugly. This is stupid. It doesn't look real actually. It looks like it's been put there by AI. And this is obviously beautiful. Yeah, probably it's not very functional, but very beautiful. The thing is, like, Ferrari is not functional as well. So if I'm gonna buy a unfunctional car, stupid car, if I wanna buy a stupid car, why not buy myself a old Jag with this Jaguar here, where you are sitting with, you know, in a leather seat, very comfortable leather seat. You drive very slowly. This is nice. Yeah, okay, so this is, I already know that if I finish this video and make first couple of millions, I will buy myself this car. This is see how much it is. Obviously it's important before you actually build your SaaS application. Check how much is the old Jaguar that you think is nice, because then it will maybe motivate you. Okay, there's no price, unfortunately. Jaguar type E2. Jaguar type E2. Let's see what's the price of this baby. Very beautiful. How much is it? How much are you, my friend? Oh, this is just like this is junk basically. Oh no, it's not too bad actually. Yeah, okay, you would have to put some more work into it. So it's 23,000 euros. Okay, that's not too much. Obviously, the second 23,000 euros I will have to spend to actually make it work. But that's a good goal. So when I get my first million from my SaaS app, that's probably where I'm gonna spend it. Okay, back to my video, because obviously that's more important than knowing how much your dream Jaguar costs. Did you subscribe? Dude, did you subscribe? Did you see like how cool this channel got? I got some cool name now. It's called now Code and Hustle. So make sure you subscribe to such a cool channel. I think this is how it's gonna stay now. From now on, that's how I'm going to call myself. Code and Hustle. Because it's cool, it's nice. Because I do some coding and I do some like business hustling, bustling, whatever. Fast and Furious, final race. Look how they did it. They just drew it on the paper. Oh no, on the. They just made it out of plywood. Nice. Whoa. With like toy cars. Okay, back to what did I want to do? What did? Oh yeah. The work stuff. Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Now this is where the magic happens. Our Kanban board. The Kanban board gives you a visual overview.
This is actually something that I should.
Changes. This.
Can I just spread this further back? No. This is where all the magic happens. Our Kanban board. Okay, so let's just spread that. Let's just slow this, move this here. This will go here, obviously.
Now this
Yeah, and let's slow this one down. Well, those baby down. Or maybe.
is where the magic happens. Our Kanban board. The Kanban board gives you a visual overview of all your deliveries organized by status. Each column represents a stage in your delivery process.
Shit, did it move
Each
again?
card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name,
Okay, this should be here somewhere.
products, and dates at a glance. Here's the best part. Watch. I'll drag this delivery
Okay, maybe watch is here somewhere. Is it?
from in preparation to in transit. Done. The status is updated instantly, and Planero records when this change happened and who made it. You can filter the column to focus on
Oh, this
specific
is-
delivery.
Yeah, so this is where you can filter the problem. Yes.
Everything up.
Okay, so this is where you filter. So this part is here actually.
Everything updates in real time. You can filter the column to focus on specific deliveries. Everything updates in real time. So if someone on your team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately. No more calling your employees to ask, "Where's that order?"
Yeah, is this like?
Just look at the board. And the best part? These status columns are fully customizable. You can rename them, change their colors, add new.
Okay, so this is. No, so this part.
Everything updates in real time. So if someone on your team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately. No more calling your employees to ask, "Where's that order?" Just look at the board. And the best part? These status columns are fully custom. Everything updates in real time to focus on specific deliveries.
Okay.
When this change happened and who made it. You can filter the.
Okay, so we can filter is here actually. Don't know what to do with this stuff.
The column to focus on specific deliveries.
So here somewhere.
Everything updates in real time. So if
Oh,
you can filter the column to focus on
okay, so let's just start here.
specific deliveries. Everything updates in real time. So if someone on your team moves a card,
Oh, here, yeah, this is where I want it.
you can filter the column to focus on specific deliveries. Everything update records when this change happened and who made it. You can filter the column to focus on specific deliveries. Everything updates in real time. So if someone on your.
Yeah, okay, so here I have to fill this part up.
Now this is where the magic happens. Our
Still like on Canva, do I have like a Canva? Do you have like some sort of like an animation? I could use a simple animation of Kanban board basically. Just remove these people here. Here. Kanban board. Like a. I could use like a very simple animation video. CO. They don't seem to be. Or maybe with K? Is it with K? Kanban board? What's this about? Okay, no. Nope, that's not a good one. But I think like that might be useful actually. Yeah. Let's see other stuff. Kanban board, magic. Kanban board. Search results. Okay, here. Maybe this, actually. Maybe I should use that kind of stuff. It's nice, actually. I will think. Yeah, let's see again. Let's see more. Some sort of, maybe I should do like some sort of computer magic. Maybe not. This is like this is a good chart, obviously very useful, but this guy. Is this like a... Maybe I would just put my app here. Yeah, let's have this guy to work on. Or maybe here on this screen. Maybe she will be presenting, but I would have to do a lot of work here to show my video in here. I could do that actually. Maybe I should put this meat here. Maybe cutting meat is not a good way. Good one. Computer magic. Let's see what the magic is. No, PC. No, IT magic. IT magic. No. Person in front of computer. Person using computer. Oh, maybe this one actually. Maybe this is like the... Oh, this is where the magic happens. Yeah, her happy face. Yeah, maybe her drinking coffee and being happy with empty mug. Yeah, she looks sweet. Okay, so maybe this kind of part, this first thing. Now this is where all the magic happens. We could say that here. Yeah, she will use her mug. Okay, I'll just have this. She might be useful. Obviously, we love enthusiastic people doing cool shit. Okay, let's have her actually. I like her. I don't like the ring in the nose, although she's very attractive woman. So she will show my application, my app very well, and she still looks professional-ish. You know, the glasses, but the nose ring. Yeah, but you know, that's what you have. You know, attractive people. They can make themselves a bit uglier with those things. Guys, make sure you I asked question whether work for juniors is better office or remote or hybrid, wherever. What do you think? Like, where would you count yourself? Do you think like you can learn a lot from other people in the office? Which probably answer is yes. Or if you work alone on your own projects, can you learn then? Which answer is yes as well. But which would be better? I guess that's the question. Also, make sure to subscribe. I really love subscribers, and according to my stats, only 20-something percent of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So all the cool, great channels online, they have like 40%, and I want to be a cool, great channel like them. I don't want to be one of those ugly, unliked and unsubscribed channels. So basically, make sure you subscribe. Be a lovely person and subscribe, you know? Because then like I think like, Santa Claus is actually checking if you actually watch with subscribing or not, and then based on that, next Christmas you will get present or not. So obviously it's very important to subscribe to my channel. I do have that kind of connections to Santa, and he actually asked me like, is he subscribed? And I'm saying no, he's not subscribed, and the guy doesn't get present, or the girl, you know. So you know, Santa will not actually give you a present if you don't subscribe. Okay, so that's the magic. This is where the magic happens, and I actually could put on his screen my app. Let's try that actually as well. That will be useful. I will actually add my app to his screen. And how can I do it? Do I do it here in Canva? And I think it might not work that way. I might need to do it in DaVinci Resolve, and I have to learn that. So that's going to be another lesson for today. I will actually import that stuff. Do I need this? I don't know. Okay, let's just export that. Share, download. It says that I saved 74 zlotys just because I'm actually subscribed to Canva. So yeah, like what are savings I'm getting on these videos? I would probably get them for free from other place. Or maybe I would be forced to record my own videos, which might be better, more professional, although more time consuming as well. And this video, which already is taking me a couple of weeks to make, would take another couple of weeks, and maybe that wouldn't be a good good use of my time. Let's say Canva clips free. I think I will have a break in like 5 minutes. So around the 1 hour mark, I will just go for like a short break. Gonna go pee pee, and then I might make myself a coffee. Do I need a coffee? I had one actually quite recently in my glass. That is like there are mountains here, so it's nice. Like, you know, back here. Oh, am I actually visible on my screen? Oh, did I just disappear? Yeah, I think I disappeared. Oh, let's show my face. So I wasn't here at all. Like all the live stream, I wasn't here. Jeez. That's why I only had 20 viewers. That's why. Okay, I know that, you know, when my face is here, it's just more popular. So I actually forgot to do it after like some recordings I was doing yesterday or something. Yeah, so what did I want to? What did I want to say? Or maybe it doesn't matter whether you're in the office or remote, as just someone actually responded. Does it matter or not, do you think? I do think like maybe that's correct as well. Because sometimes when you work with people, they can be dicks, or they can actually take you for coffee when you would be working and learning stuff and getting some experience, and they would take you for coffee, and then they will be complaining how they can't afford an apartment despite their good IT salary, because they just went for trip to you know, to Asia and bought themselves a new TV and a PlayStation, and then they made like a big tattoo on their back that costed actually as much as you know, 5% of the of the apartment that they would have to pay. So maybe that's what you're gonna be listening to, you know, or people complaining about their wives, or making jokes out of their husbands. Maybe that's what you're gonna listen in the office to, instead of working and learning stuff and getting experience. We don't know. Or someone will be, what else people are talking about? They will be bitching about the project, that how badly planned it is. that's something that happens as well at the office. So maybe it doesn't matter, you know, if you're in the office or not. Like, it's good when you are around cool, like maybe not cool, smart people that are driven. Then you are going to learn a lot. But when you're around people who complain a lot and they hate their jobs and stuff, that's actually not good to be in the office. Then I think that's better to work remote and just stay away from them. Although I think like a couple of years ago, I don't know if the website is still there, Stepwise. Stepwise IT or something. Yeah, so I wonder if Stepwise PL, is it still here? Yeah, it's still here. Good, okay, they're like very cool website. Like the effect here. Is this a blog? Oh, okay, so case studies. Is there like any projects I worked on? AI-based market research platform, optimization of production line, blah blah blah. Okay, so like a project I've been working on. Digital password. I worked a bit on that one. No. Digital capital raise. Smart content factory. I don't know. I don't remember this one. The other projects. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Let's see blog, because there was my article about working from the office. Oh, great ingress start in IT. Hackathons. That's my my article. Girl power. Office work. Oh, that's my article as well. See, like, yeah, even I'm here. I'm sitting there. So I've been actually... And yeah, again, back then I was saying that it's great to work from remote. Sorry, it's great to work from home. And hybrid is probably good. And I was trying to persuade everyone that, you know, you get benefits that you don't get from outside of office, which is true. And then you get some problem, like things that you get in the office, like depending what the office it is, and what people you work with, and what projects are you working on. This obviously depends. So, for example, if you work with really driven people, like smart people who are passionate about their projects, you will actually learn a lot from them. You will actually get very, you know, oh, that's me. See, that's me. That's me in, when was it? 2014. I've been actually developing, because I've been doing front-end from 2014, but back earlier I was actually doing also like web design and stuff. But yeah, again, it's great. It's great when you can work with people that are driven and fun. But if you are working around people that don't hate their jobs, hate their lives, then you might actually get some bad experience. And maybe it's better to stay at home. Although mostly I'm saying to people work from office. So yeah, it's hard one. It's a hard one. There's lots of condition. It's very conditional. Whether, you know, you work from the office or from home. It's very depending of who you work with. Actually, I will use this as a clip. And I hope I will get more and more responses. Make sure you respond to that survey. Maybe I will just drop it on my channel, and then I will combine all of those. Let's see. Let's try to do that actually. So I will actually do YouTube, and then I will actually use what I just said in a video. Oh, that's gonna be useful. Create a post, and this will be a not image poll. Maybe image poll. Like, I just would have to find the images, and that's That's some more work. Let's not do that. Test text poll. So my add option. So the question is obviously office or remote for juniors. Office or remote for juniors. Office is better. Is better. Remote is fine. Okay, is the best. So is the best. Doesn't matter. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So I will combine this and this from the live stream if I get any responses here, because other day I did one poll. Oh, I got some responses, 6 votes. So if I got bunch of votes here, bunch of votes there, I just assume that there are different people, and then I will make a nice short video about that as well. I don't know actually, like it's hard to say. Again, like it's one of those hard ones. So feel free to read my article actually on Stepwise website. I'm gonna drop a link here. I hope it's gonna be gonna send. I should actually on my site, on my website, do some articles as well. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I also wrote some articles. I don't know. I think this was good actually. I still probably agree with that it's probably good to work with people if they're cool and driven. I should have actually added that to my article. If you work around bitchy and annoying people, this is a loss for you. Yeah. Like, let's just have me centered a bit here. So I look more handsome actually. All my good looks is actually well presented here. Okay, let's just get back to my video. Did I export this already? I think that was number 3. Yes. Yes, Canva clips number 3. Yeah, that's the one. I got this thing where people are just like doing stuff, and it's just that's moving. That's nice. So many fingers. Are they AI? This looks so AI actually. Look at those 2 hands. Yeah, this is AI. This is AI. See, like this hand actually touched it and didn't really affect. Oh, but there was a shadow, obviously. Is this AI? There was a shadow, obviously. So this is the second. Oh, or this might be the same guy. Okay, maybe it's not AI. I don't know. I'm just so prejudiced. Like, no, everything is AI. No, this is not AI. This is AI. This is not AI. So here I could actually put my board, my project. And the lady will be, this is where the magic happens. Good. Let's just have that lady there. So I kind of like my latest clip. And let's just use it this is where the magic happens. Here. Where's my magic happens lady? Canva clips 3. Yeah. This is where all the magic happens. Yeah. Happy girl. Yeah, here. Until the end. Okay.
Now this is where the magic happens. Our Kanban board.
So here I could actually use the guy.
Kanban board gives you a visual overview of our.
So here I will actually use the other guy who was, or maybe the fingers. The fingers will be good. The hands and fingers. Let's just have it from here. Those 2 hands are actually weird, and the finger there. Like, okay, let's just.
Kanban board. Magic happens. Our Kanban board. The Kanban board gives you a visual overview.
Is this like, is she longer? Yeah, she's long enough.
Kanban board. The Kanban board gives you a visual overview of all your deliveries organized by status.
Oh, okay. This would be good if I had like I will have to crop it, I guess. We'll just make it a bit bigger and move it up here, maybe a bit bigger, and here again a little bit more.
The Kanban board gives you a visual overview of all your deliveries organized by status. Each column represents a stage in your delivery process.
Yeah, I think here I can show my Kanban board.
Delivery from in preparation to in transit.
So this is where I can show my Kanban board actually. Maybe I have like this one. Can I? What's here? So this one is 0207. Oh, I think I have it. Screen. Okay, 0207. So where's the? Here probably something. Okay, maybe here. No. Do I have a? So reports here. No. Let's see this one. No. Here. Probably that one. Okay, this one is with 3 columns. Let's hit that one. 11. So watch out. This one. Okay, no. Maybe hard one. That's a hard one. Okay, 11. So watch out. I'm moving this one from in preparation to 11. This annoying thing at the top is so annoying. Yeah. Shit, I recorded it badly. I wish I stayed a bit longer on the initial part.
Each column represents a stage in your delivery process. Each card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name.
Maybe I'll just use 3. Yeah, okay, let's just have that one.
Plan in your
Okay, maybe this is good. No, maybe here. Maybe here. Come on, can show me. Yeah, okay, let's just show this part. It kind of sucks, but
moves a card, everyone sees it immediately.
okay,
So if someone on your team moves each column represents a stage in your delivery process. Each card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name, products, and dates at a glance. Here's the best part. Watch. I'll drag this delivery from in preparation. Watch. I'll drag this delivery from in preparation.
Okay, so the previous one I just have to make work. But first, let's just have a short break. So I'll be back in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe. Not too long, not too soon. 5 minutes. Let's just have a 5 minutes break, and then I'll be back. Start. Some voting happened. Good. I made myself some sandwiches, so I will be nibbling on... Nibbling? I don't know. My English is sort of still okay. You know, I spent 15 or 20 years already speaking English. Since I really learned it properly, so I could like... And I still make lots of mistakes, so... well, I guess I will never learn it properly. And I don't want to spend too much time now. Oh, but although I was talking to my buddy actually from one of my previous works, and he actually started learning English now, and he speaks pretty good actually. He lived in abroad in English-speaking country for a couple of years. He speaks good actually, but he decided to do like early morning English. So yeah. Maybe I should expand my break though. It's I just created like, yeah, this poll is another one where it's just everything is it depends. If you just responded with it depends, then yeah, that's the best one. That says I'm on the break. I wonder what is showing when I'm on the break. Oh, yeah. It's my break? Yeah. Hey, it's nothing. It's showing nothing actually here, is it? So when I'm not on the machine, what it says? No, it's okay. It doesn't say that there's a break. Was someone calling me now? Yeah, I had a call actually. Let me just check. Maybe some recruiters. No, that's someone trying to sell me something. It's like a sound that I should be hearing. Don't know. I had a call. Someone called me. What's this actually? Thank you. Okay. Yep, I got response from one job and they said, no, we're not gonna hire you. Whatever. Now I'll just pretend I didn't want it to work for you. I just applied quickly. I don't really care about your company. I hate you guys. That could be how I'm defending myself. But yeah, there was a... I'm basically sending sometimes some job posts. You know, I'm just responding to some jobs, and you know, if I get the job, might be useful. I just do like something super quick, like I think I applied for those guys. Front-end product software engineer. Okay, I just do this, like do I like I don't even read it, where like if it's a front-end developer with React, that's enough for me to know for now. Yeah, they want a computer science, 5 years of experience, blah blah blah. What's the technologies? Skilled front-end, JavaScript, TypeScript, React, HTML. Ability to handle full-stack projects and build a minimum working products quickly. Yeah, that's perfect for me. And look how much they pay. Yeah, okay, that doesn't matter. Read less. See, like I could read more, I could read less. So let's see if I how to apply. I just apply by attaching my CV. No file selected. Probably something broken with the form. Very quick one. Save and continue. Cover letter. Okay. I do have a cover letter, it turns out. LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn. The thing is, like, when... oh, I can put pixels on logics. Let's do this one. What is your legal first name? It's Maciej. That's my legal first name. Are you currently authorized to work? Yes, I'm authorized to work for employment in this country. Do you live in the plan to relocate to Poland? Yes, I live. I don't know, LinkedIn? No, I don't. No. Do you have at least 5 years of full-time relevant working experience? Obviously I do. Please email me about future job prospects, okay? Yeah, let's do that. Anything else? Employment. Oh, shit. So, come on. Yeah, let's just go on. Okay, no. So I'm not applying here. Senior full stack. Lead staff full stack engineer. I should actually change my CV a bit because I'm doing quite a lot of full stack in last year and a half or something. So maybe I should be a full stack. I should be calling myself a full stack. Full stack marketing, you know, design and pretty much everything. DevOps, I think I should call myself like everything, senior everything developer. But that's actually something that you have to do yourself when you start selling your own stuff. It's not like you are just front-end developer, you are everything developer, you are marketing developer. You are DevOps. You have to deploy your application or your website. You are a finance guy because you are paying for all of that. So I could probably apply to pretty much any IT job now. I think I should be actually like a project manager now, more than or maybe a director, maybe IT director. Although when I applied for those jobs, they didn't really want me because I don't have relevant experience, which is the bullshit that they just say to themselves, that you have to have a relevant experience. And then when you look at your managers that actually do manage big project, why am I here even? Autism. 1 year required. 1 year required autism. Don't know. Sorry for eating, but I really... It's a good sandwich, actually. So, why wouldn't I? Should I not eat a good sandwich when it's in front of me? It's really hard not to do it.
On your team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately.
So here, what I have to do is the guy on one image, and this is actually something I will have to do properly. If this guy, yeah, okay. Okay, if person A moves something on the, I think I used this guy already. Yeah, so she will be actually seeing it. So she's the one that sees it, basically. I already used this guy, unfortunately. And I don't want to be spending more time on searching for...
No more calling.
Okay, so everyone sees it.
One sees it.
Is she seeing it? Yeah, okay. So she sees it, and the first guy, messy spreadsheet. Oh, that's good. So here I would have to remove his hand. No, let's not do that. Let's just do easier stuff. What is so here, oh yeah, this guy. So here, this is a hard one. I have to, or maybe not so hard, but like here that the camera is tilting. It's a hard one. Okay, can I do that? Let's see. It's a good challenge to have. So yeah, from here. Okay, so here, let's finish here for now. Let's see how far it gets me. Okay. Oh, this is a perfect part. This is a perfect
On your
one.
team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately.
Okay, this guy will be a bit longer.
No more calling your employees to...
Yeah, okay, so
if someone
on the team moves a card.
So if someone on your team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately.
Oh, so here I will just place my image, my video
Change their color.
of moving a column. Yeah, okay, so happy girl, and cards.
Each column represents a stage in your delivery process. Each card represents a delivery. You can...
Yeah, okay, so if one person moves it, the second one will see it. Good. Okay, just have this. 4. Can I do it? That's the question. Can I actually place it over his screen? So here, when I have this video, let's just make it smaller, like somewhere here. Ooh, here. I have to like skew it somehow, yeah? I like rotate it a bit or something. Even smaller. Let's just go closer. This will be a hard one because then the camera is moving as well. Okay, up, right, rotate. Oops. Okay, rotate, and then like skew it a bit. Yeah. Somehow. No. Crop right. Okay. Yeah. Crop even bigger. Crop, and now like I need to skew it even. Crop top as well. Yeah, and like can I just adjust like transform? That would be good to adjust just this.
Someone on your team moves a card, everyone.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. It's a hard one. Okay, the anchor point. I just need to like no. No. There is a like some sort of perspective stabilization. No. Retime and scaling. It's probably not that. Do we have like some transform? Maybe this transform thing will work. Oh no, that's transitions. Oh, that's for just for transitions. How do I do it here? Maybe I'll just make a mask. And this will go behind. Yeah, this will go behind, and then I will mask the screen. That's probably the better. Yeah, I think that's gonna be better. So, how am I masking? Okay, let me just see how is masking done in DaVinci Resolve 2120 or something. YouTube. DaVinci Resolve masking. Because I think with the mask I can adjust like the corners. DaVinci Resolve masking. Yeah. So, oh yeah, this is what I want actually, basically. So I like they remove the photographers. Oh, okay. I think I know now. So we go to Fairlight. No, to this one. Is it the screen? I think so. Yeah. So we go to color tab. Is this like? That's a color tab, is it? Or this one? Maybe that's the color tab. Yes, that's the one. Good. Go to color tab. Then we do what? Add alpha output. Where do we add alpha output? Ooh, here? Maybe we just drop it here. Oh, no. I don't know. Alpha output. Where the fuck is alpha output? Alpha. No. Oh, this. Yeah. I used that a couple of times. This is the one. And okay, I did that. And now yeah, let's do this. Good. Okay, so probably that. Good. Yeah, I think I will be able to do that. Although then I will have to animate it. Yeah, can I? And just make sure everything is here correctly adjusted. Yeah, I might be able to do it actually. This might work. Obviously it's gonna, it's not gonna be perfect. But who cares about perfection when you can have something that works pretty good? So now we did that. Yes, yeah, okay. Oh, and then, yes, obviously we have to do this. Okay, do we have it? So here, it should also animate. Linear, size, span. Oh, okay, so like we do... Nope. But it didn't hide it now, did it? Yeah, okay. This is not good. Yeah, okay. No. Okay, so I almost have it, I think. Like, he was telling me to add alpha channel. Okay, let's just do other tutorial. He's shit at. Like, the shorts are really bad on so, here.
On the edit page, grab the footage you want to mask.
Yeah.
And place it on top on main footage.
Yeah.
Next, go to color page.
Cool.
Make sure the footage for masking is selected.
Okay, good then.
Select the node and
Okay.
navigate to Power Window tab.
Did that. Is it? Yeah, I think it's done actually. Because it has this symbol here.
Choose a shape. Then position
Okay, so
and size it accordingly.
that's done. Good. So he's sizing it.
Right-click anywhere on the node panel. Select Add Alpha Output.
Add alpha output. Okay, I can hear that it's a add alpha output. Did I add alpha output? Yes. And this connects to this. Yes. Ooh, yeah. Good. Although we just need to animate this thing so it moves with the screen, because obviously at one point it's there and then later it's here. So this mask has to move as well, yes? But okay, I've got sizing here. Linear win. Node format. This corrector. Settings, is it? So transform. There's transform tool obviously, but so here, yes, I can move it, but I want to animate that move. Yeah, that would be even better. Circle win, polygon win. I don't know, powers curve. And sizing is about sizing. Edge blend. DaVinci, let's learn how to move a mask.
Last, click and drag the little blue rectangle to here, and that's it.
DaVinci Resolve. So okay, we know how to make mask now, so that's good. Masking made easy. So moving mask. Resolve moving mask. Guys, subscribe, vote, do everything good, like, whatever. Do everything that is nice to my channel, that my channel will like. So I made a poll where I'm asking whether you should go to the office or not, and I actually don't know. I've also I'm releasing new videos, so make sure you check that as well. How to easy mask and track. Okay, so I want to be able to track my video. Yeah, go on, show me how you do it.
Do the top videos itself. So to the choose from. So,
okay, so this is done.
gonna zoom in using the scroll wheel, and also I can move around my footage like this.
Oh, actually, I think I know. I did that many times already. So here, okay. Where do we curves? I think we had this tracker, because we can analyze this. Is tracker? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think I can do this actually. So I'm just panning it. So I can add like a time, like or can I just? I know there was this. Oh, good. I think that's how it's done. Is it? No, it doesn't seem like this. No, come on, come on. Is this like no tilt, no zoom, no rotate, frame? Yeah, and like track it. Okay, I think that's how it's done. Is this like shit?
Everyone sees it.
Looks crap, isn't it?
So if someone on your team moves a card, so if someone on your team moves a card, so if someone on your team moves a card, everyone.
This looks shit.
So if someone on your team moves a card, everyone sees it.
This.
So if someone on your team moves a card,
Okay, so I think I might need to just adjust this this mask, yes? Sizing. And oh, and probably I have to also make it more sharp. Less soft, basically. Yeah, on this side. On this side, no. Yeah, or on each side. Let's just make it less soft. Yeah.
team moves a card, everyone.
Yeah, okay, I think that's gonna be good. I think that's gonna do. Because basically if someone...
So if someone on your team moves a card,
Although here, the...
so if someone on your team moves a card,
So we do what here? No. Just move this away. Okay, so this has to also move with the screen.
So if someone on your team moves a card,
Position. Does it work?
so if someone on your team moves a card,
It's like
so if someone on your team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately.
Dobra. Yeah, I think that's...
in real time. So if someone on your team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately.
If someone is video editor and they will look closely into my mask, he will just say, this is shit. But for most people it should do. So let me just keep it as it is. I can't say that I'm happy with it, that's a great masking done. But I think I'm okay. I'm okay. It should actually... Oh, here. So yeah, this should... Oh, because, yeah, it's adjusting also the softness. What do I like? Yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, I don't want this.
So if someone on your team moves a card,
yeah, it's better now.
everyone's...
Yeah, basically, I think that's... Yeah, basically that's how I want it now. So if someone
on your team moves a card, everyone sees it real time. So if someone on your team moves a card...
we can see that the screen is sort of jumping around, like dancing in there.
Everyone sees it immediately. No more calling.
Yeah, okay, let's just... I think that's fine. Like, I've spent like just on this 1 second clip or 2 seconds clip, I spent already enough time, so I think I'm happy with what I'm getting. No more, no.
No more calling your employees to ask, where's that order? Just look at the board. And the best part?
Oh yeah. No more calling your employees. Let's just have one calling people. Business. Oh. No. This guy looks like a... What about this guy? No. Not traveling. Phone, no. No, no. Maybe this one? Is she good? Is she good at calling people? She's texting, obviously, so no, I want her to be talking. This one is too old. This one, ooh, he counts money. He made so much money. These people are too... No, I don't like that. Maybe this one. This is too fake. Basically, this background doesn't look like real. Oh yeah, it's obviously a real office. But he looks like an intern. I want to have someone that is more advanced. And like I want that person to be talking on a real phone, like people do now those days. Okay, this guy looks correct. Yeah, I think we have one that is... How about this guy? He's a photographer. No. How about this person? No, this is just watching photos. Okay, I think that might be useful somewhere later as well. But no, because we want to be able to work on the phone with people. Oh, I could use that one. Do I? That's a useful. I will actually use it later. I might use it later. Oh, this is good. Yeah, good. So we have someone actually. Yeah, that's a nice one. Let's just share this one, export it so I can use it. Download it. Everything is so perfect today. If I'm just not putting my like my goals are not exaggerated, which usually they are, I'm actually doing quite well. Let's see if anyone is actually responding to my poll. How to dad? Yeah, obviously. This is, I don't know what happened here. What's the... Good, that's something I need to do. Can clip 4. So it's like movies those days, you know? You get like a Saw 5, 7, 25, Toy Story 5. So I'm one of those, you know? I'm Disney today. I'm producing in so many movies. I hope one of them will get me the Jaguar I showed earlier. Let's see if my post is actually generating any responses. Absolute zero. So no responses so far. Make sure you guys vote, 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 vote. Also, if you did it here, although if you did it here already, that's maybe not. Don't know. I will actually combine them later, and like, so it doesn't make sense if the same person is voting twice here and there. But, you know, I will do that maybe. Anyway, what did I want to do today? Yeah, okay. So I did export that video. Let's get another one. Canva clips 4, is it? Wait, did we just have number 4? Yes. Canva clips 4. So we got this guy talking on the phone and someone working on the. This is a good one. I like that one. I will actually use it in my most recent example. And you might say, why don't you just export them individually? And I would say, I don't know. I think it kind of works for me as well, if I just get them into batches. Yeah, okay, let's just do here. Is this like okay?
No more calling your employees to ask, where's that order? Just look at the board. And the best part? These status columns are fully customizable. You can rename them, change their colors, add new ones, or remove ones you don't need. Make the board
Just
match your workflow, not the other way around.
Now let's look at reports.
okay, so that's actually moved a lot, I think.
You can rename them, change their colors, add new ones, or remove ones you don't need. Make the board match your workflow. Do comprehensive and
Okay.
visible. You can
Why did it move so far? Ah, shit. Maybe I did that. I'll have to watch it properly after.
You can rename them, change their colors, add new ones, or remove ones you don't need. Make the board match your workflow, not the other way around.
Now let's look at reports.
Yeah, now let's look at the report. So I'm actually quite far here, you know, like, am I halfway there? Yeah, it looks like it. How long is the video? It's 8 minutes. So I'm more than halfway there. So like all of this, home. All of this is done-ish. Obviously, I will have to go through it again and make sure that everything is synchronized correctly. Oh, thanks for a vote. Thanks for your vote, buddy or girl. I don't know. I think that was the office is better. That was a good answer. I don't know if it's best answer. I don't know which is there a best answer. It obviously depends which office you work at. Who are your colleagues? What project is it? Are the people motivated? Those kind of things. I think they're important. So like always with those questions and with those like big decisions about like, is it better or not? Is remote better? Is office better? I don't know, depending what the office is, you know, how you work remotely, what sort of people you are working with. If you know, if there are people that will share with you how to do the job best, or maybe they will share with you their complaints about the boss. Or maybe they will be complaining about her, you know, the lady will complain about her husband, or like other way around. That's always something that might happen, obviously.
And the best part? These status columns are fully customizable.
Ooh, hey Alex. Office is better for juniors because it's easier to communicate with others. And learn more. Although I started my career in tech after COVID, so I was working remotely and I'm still working that way. Yeah, office is better, as I'm saying, depending on which office you work for and who are your colleagues and what is the office about. Like, for example, like I was working in places where I would go to the office, but I would still have like a remote team, which just almost made no sense because I would just spend like an hour, and they would force me basically to go there. I would spend an hour on the train each way, just to get to the office where none of my colleagues are actually working. the same stuff, or like, you know, there might be people that work in front end but in different teams on different projects. So yeah, that's good to talk to them. I think like to have some ideas, although I think like, you know, spending an hour here on the trains and car is obviously a big sacrifice, obviously, and I don't know if I got that much actually from them. Yeah, hi Alex, good to see you. How is it warmer now in Athens? I'm actually thinking about taking my family to one of the warmer countries. Is Greece a good place, or should I? Because I'm thinking about either Cyprus, or I've been to Crete and it's great. I don't want to go back yet. I will go there in a year or two. I'm thinking about two locations, either Malta or Cyprus. Yeah. I found myself being more productive working from home. Yeah, and like for example, I have quite a lot of experiences of it's either people bitching about work and me bitching to them about the work, and like just demotivating each other that way. So maybe sometimes when you have people that really hate their jobs, and I've been there, obviously, there were moments I was really frustrated with my jobs. It's maybe better to keep them apart from each other. You know, the further they are, the better. The less they have to talk to each other, the better, because then the bad culture spreads. And sometimes I've been the person who would actually be complaining a lot. Sometimes I've been listening to other people complaining a lot, and I don't know, like it's good for your business and for their mental, you know, health. But yeah, thanks for voting. If you didn't subscribe yet, make sure to do it, because I love subscribers. Back to work. So I'm actually like 2/3 of the way filling up this reading. Basically. So there's a lady from 11 Labs who is reading it for me.
Change their colors.
And like when I actually played that recording to my wife, and she thought like she thought it's a real person. So I think it's good enough for me to actually use in marketing materials, although it's very time consuming. I think like the next video, it will be like another sort of tour of the Planero. And this one will be just me, like now, talking about how I'm using it, and then I will just edit it so it's quicker. So I will just remove all my else and like me talking about, you know, a poll on, or just, you know, I will try to actually bypass some of my talking. But I think that's something that I'll try to do next, because they're quicker. They're much quicker that way, and I think the value of I went in Portugal for 4 days and it was raining all day. Really annoying. Yeah, but like I'm kind of tired of the snow already, so even if it was like 15 degrees and raining, I would probably be a bit better off. But yeah, like I was checking, we were checking Malta actually, because Malta is very cheap to fly to now. I need the cheap. I like cheap at this moment. Maybe when the video is finished, I was talking about it earlier, when the video is finished and I'll get my first dozen of millions or something, billions and trillions of dollars, then I will probably be able to fly not so cheap. But I was checking Malta and I was checking Cyprus, because they were actually pretty cheap both. Weather. So what the hell did you do in Portugal? Why would you go there? Why would someone from Greece go to Portugal? How is it different? It's like me going to a German city, which I don't really see the reason, unless there was a work or something. I don't see the reason now to go to some other place that is same weather and like snowy and cold and crap. Oh yeah, so like that's Cyprus. I was thinking about going in like 2 weeks time. So I think that's good. I would like that. 19 degrees, a bit of sun. That would be a good one. Let's see Malta. Yeah, this one seems similar. What about Portugal? Like Lisbon? Lisbon is very expensive to fly from Poland, so it's a bit colder actually there. Like I could see like 3 or 4 degrees colder than Cyprus. So I think that's or Malta. Malta was the cheapest to fly to. So it's 19, 16, bit warmer than Portugal and more sunny. I think there is like out of 7 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yeah. So most of the day seems to be quite sunny. I might go to Malta. As I'm saying, it's cheaper, Cyprus. I think it was Larnaca. Yeah. Malta seems sunnier. Okay. The cheaper is better, obviously. In my case. Yeah, I have a wife and 2 kids, so you know, even if you go cheap, it's always expensive.
Them, change their colors, add new ones, or remove ones you don't need. Make the board match your workflow,
Oh, good. Vacation with friends.
not the other way around.
So it's more about seeing cities. So you don't really like it. The weather wasn't the most important, was it? Like, you just have to make sure that you are actually well dressed and have umbrella with you, so you can actually see everything there without getting too wet. Here it was like till yesterday it was like -10 or something, and now I think it's slightly above 0. So we are finally, so maybe this time the snow will melt. We had like a snow for like a month and a half already. Well, what did I want to actually? Sorry, I'm just getting distracted a lot. Yeah, but good. Thanks for coming. Actually, yes, we had umbrella and everything, but that constant rain was really annoying. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm not saying that. I mean, the thing is like, just because it's snowy here, it doesn't mean that it's actually such a bad weather. Because when it's windy and rainy, like it's not that fun to actually do sightseeing and stuff, to travel. I was just checking, sorry, LinkedIn. There was like a Sam Altman, AI billionaire. I don't know if they know what billionaire means. Because this guy is like, you know, OpenAI is not making money. It's losing money all the time. The reason why he has billions is because many people invested into it, but it's not really something that is making money. I mean, it makes money to him, obviously. He is actually earning money. But for generally for people who are investing in OpenAI, I think I don't think they're actually winning so much. They are such a, you know, has the best weather, food and everything. No, what about women? I don't think like Greek women are the best. No. This is where, you know, for women, you either have to go to Scandinavia or Eastern Europe. Although very lovely, I think women in Greece are very lovely in terms of like, you know, how they are. But okay, I'm not gonna be continuing this thought, I guess, because I might lose all my Greek viewership, which is probably about 1 or 2 people.
Around.
Now let's
So what do you think about Greek women compared to other nations? Okay, back to my work. Okay, what's that?
Now let's look at reports, because data-driven decisions are better than guesswork.
Okay, so let's do reports now. Do I have like reports somewhere? Oh, I might need to import something from Canva again. Viewing report. Yeah, obviously. Yeah. I'm not gonna be pushing on that the topic anymore. I think it's a. Is this a good clip for reports? Is this good clip for reports? No, it's shit. This one. Yeah, that would be cool actually. I could do that. This is not really good. And this is not the type of report I have. I don't have candlestick report. Let's see that one. What's this? No, that's not nice. Maybe that one. Is this a good one? Should I use that one? Sorry, I've got some small. Okay, I can smell something burning. Hope it's not in my house. So let me just walk around. Let me just have a check quickly. These are not reports. Let me just check quickly if this is. I think it's outside, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll be back in a minute. It seems like my house is not burning yet, so good. Seems like it's something outside, and when it's cold out there, I have like a fireplace, and my neighbors they have fireplaces, so someone might be burning something. And the smell came to me. What's this actually? Maybe a lady presenting some numbers. Sexy lady presenting numbers is a nice thing to use. Or maybe something else. Let's see other stuff. Oh, this